Hello and welcome back. I'm Scott from Wisconsin Landscape, and I have a proven DIY for you if you're having problems with your dogs digging under the fence. This customer has dogs of all sizes and they continue to dig under the fence. We were here in April and installed 2-inch rock along the fence and the dogs stopped digging. And they added additional fence in midsummer and it also worked. And now they have added another section and we're going to show you how we did it. It's fairly simple. You start by digging along the fence 8 inches deep and 12 inches wide. We will have a natural edge along the rock. And look at there's one of the little culprits. We will continue this trench around the whole fenced in area. This soil is pretty sandy, so it's pretty easy to dig. This technique will work in really any type of soil. Once we have completed the trench around the fenced-in area, we'll install fabric at the bottom of the trench to help the weed growth, and then install 2-inch rock on top of that along the fence. And now we install the rock. We have installed rock on both sides at this property and on one side, and they both worked really well. So we decided to install the rock on just the outside because it's just as effective. We are using 2-inch brown granite in this video. I would recommend using the bigger rock like 1.5 to 2 inch. You could go bigger but might not look as nice. I would not recommend using anything smaller than 1.5 rock. Now I'll rake out the dirt alongside the rock, and if you have too much you can haul it away with a wheelbarrow or save it for future projects. And that's how you can easily stop your dogs from digging under the fence yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos.